How to replace a hard disk drive. For safety, use proper ESD precaution before opening a system so that we don't get electrocuted. Step 2. Unscrew the door of cabinet and gently remove the door. Step 3. Remove all cables properly from the hard disk drive. Step 4. Unscrew the old hard disk from the bay. Step 5. Remove the old hard disk and gently fix the new hard disk. Step 6. Fix all the screws properly. Step 7. Connect all cables properly as on old hard disk drive. Step 8. Fix the side cover and fix the screws. Reconnect the power cable.